Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF on your iPhone. First, find the PDF document you need to sign. You can usually find it in your Files app, or it might be attached to an email. Once you've located it, simply tap to open it. After the PDF opens, look for the markup icon, which often looks like a pen tip or a small toolbox. Tapping this icon will bring up the tools you need to add your signature. Now that you're in markup mode, it's time to create your signature. Look for a plus sign icon, usually in the bottom right corner of the screen, and tap it. From the menu that appears, choose Signature. You'll then get a blank canvas where you can use your finger or an Apple Pencil to draw your signature. Take your time to make it look just right. Once you're happy, tap Done to save it for future use. With your signature created, it's easy to add it to your document. Simply tap on the signature you just made, and it will appear on your PDF. You can then drag it with your finger to precisely position it where it needs to be. If the size isn't quite right, use the blue dots at the corners of the signature box to resize it larger or smaller. You can also rotate it using the rotation handle for perfect placement. Once your signature is perfectly placed and the document looks complete, it's time to save your work. Tap the Done button, usually located in the top left corner of your screen. A menu will pop up, giving you the option to save file to. Choose this, and then select where you'd like to store your newly signed PDF. You can save it to your Files app or a cloud service like iCloud Drive. Your document is now signed and ready to share.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.